What's up guys? Welcome to another vlog.
雨上がりたどってこればかりを持って頭の中に響く声見えすいた嘘で似たようなセリフ並べてばかりねからくりなんて甘いだってきっと行く末は同じ素直になんて求めてないって嘘が消えた綺麗にも
Alright guys, so in this video we are going to TeamLabs. So it's currently around, by the way, it is my technically first day here. It is currently 2:20 and I booked a ticket to go there and it's at 5:30. I need to go to Shibuya train station. It's only like 6 minutes walk from here, 5-6 minutes walk. But I'm not sure how to do that. I'm gonna try to go a little early, which is right now. I need to go soon. That way I can find my train because Shibuya train station is huge and I really don't know how to take the train just yet. But yeah, let's go, follow along. So I'm walking now towards the train station. My hotel is just right behind there. The reason why I have to take the train is because TeamLab's planet is kind of far away from here. It's going to cost me about like, I think around $60 to $80 if I take the cab or if I Uber there. So might as well take the train. That's a lot cheaper. I don't know how much though. I'll find out later. So guys, that's the hotel where I'm staying. Tobu. And then there's Montclair over there. And then I think this is the shopping mall. I'm gonna go check that out. Looks like there's a Gucci store over there. And I'm not sure why there's a line outside. I think they're not open yet. This is a vintage store, I think. I'm gonna go check it out. Yeah, it is a vintage store. There's 2nd Street over there. I know that's a vintage store. You see that? So there's a line to go to this restaurant, so it must be good. Guys, I made it to the Shibuya Scramble. Check this out, I see a vlogger over here too. So my hotel is going that way, right behind Starbucks, and then the train station is over here. So I'm gonna go in here and try to familiarize it. So this is the train station. If you go this way, this is the famous Hachiko, the dog. So I got my Suica card. I'm now inside Shibuya station. So to get there, you need to take the JR line. So make sure you just follow the sign. So always just follow the sign, guys. JY line going up. And then also make sure if you take the escalator, you stay on your left. So make sure you take the Shinagawa Yamanote. my very first train ride. Couldn't really take videos inside the train because in the beginning it was so full. But I made it to, forget the name of the station. I'm gonna exit the train station now. Hopefully I can find the exit. It's really confusing. You guys, I finally exited. That's the name of the station. Hamamatsucho. So it's either I can go walk to TeamLabs or I can take the cab. It's only gonna take 2 minutes if I take the cab, and if I walk, I don't know how long. Right outside the stations, you can take the cab from here. So I'm gonna wait for one, and then I'm gonna have to take the cab going there. Because I actually just checked, it's actually kind of far. Okay guys, so I made it to TeamLab. TeamLab Planets, can you see that? It's too early. It's currently only 3:30, but my ticket is not until 5:30. I was so scared I'll be late because, like I said, it was my first time taking the train and I thought I was gonna get lost or whatever. So I took the train super early, but I got here super early too. So I have 2 hours to kill and it looks like there's not much to do around here, but we'll see. Let me just go walk around and hopefully I'll find something to do, kill some time. But yeah, it looks kind of quiet here compared to like where I came from in Shibuya. So yeah. Okay guys, so as I was walking around, I was trying to look for a spot to hang out, to kill some time, because like I said, I'm a little too early for TeamLabs. Wait, it's not TeamLab, it's TeamLab Planets. I came across this park. It looks so beautiful, look. So I don't really know the name of this park, but it looks beautiful. Look at this place, guys. Japan. There's also a playground here. I think it's all locals here. I found the name of the park, guys. It's called Toyosu Park. That's the one over there where I just came from. You see that body of water over there? And then I'm gonna go inside this mall. Also, I forget the name of the mall, but let's go in there. Get some AC a little bit. It's a little warm. Actually, it's really breezy, but I've been walking for a while, so I'm a little sweaty. It's called Mitsui Mall or something. I'm walking around here now. Wow, I love how clean it is here. Their mall looks really clean. Okay guys, I'm lining up here now.
Thank you very much.
Open air.
So there are some lockers where you can rent, I guess, but I'm not doing that. All right, let's go in. Let's check it out. Now, where am I gonna go? Water. Let's go to the water one. So I have to leave my shoes. I have to go to locker. So if the key is on the thing, that means it's free for you to use. So you can just leave your shoes there, and then you lock it, and then you keep the key with you, and this is the locker number. Alright guys, we're all barefoot. Let's go inside. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this, guys. Whoa. So cool. Okay guys, I'm done there where the water was. Now I'm gonna go to the forest. Let's go. I think it's this way. Let's check this out first. Let's see what's over here. Whoa, look at this.
Some artworks with the app. 一部の作品はアプリを使って参加できます。
Okay guys, so I just got out TeamLab Planets. So I was in there for maybe like at least 3 hours, a good 3 hours. It was so good. If you're in Japan, Tokyo, make sure you check out that TeamLab Planets. Super worth it. So good. I think this is the best for whatever art stuff that I've ever been to. I mean, I don't really go to a lot of them, but this is the top one. My bad though, I couldn't really vlog there because it's kind of weird to keep talking there. You're not supposed to talk much because, you know, you're supposed to enjoy like all the artwork and stuff. So yeah, that's why I wasn't really talking over there. But I hope you enjoyed all my clips. All right, I gotta go so I can catch the train back home. There's actually a restaurant outside TeamLabs. Look, there's ramen and oh my god guys, look at the line to get in. So many people there. Well, I didn't realize. Look at this. So cool. It's like a food truck. Guys, look at all this line. This is the line to get in. All the way over there. And look what time it is. Alright, I need to take the cab. Are you available? I'm going to Hamamatsucho station. Alright guys, so I finally made it back in my hotel. It is now currently 9:35 and I did a total of, I don't know if you can see that, 22,000 steps. 22,000 steps today. Wow, that's insane. I don't think I've ever walked this much. Even when we went to Europe, I think my max was like 18K. So yeah, this is the most I've ever walked. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm out. Deuces.